Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button. So today I wish to share with you guys a home remedy that you can use to whiten your nails whenever you remove your color nail polish. So this is my own nail polish that I applied right now. So when I remove it, I'm going to apply the remedy. So let's get to it. You add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, any toothpaste of your choice, 1 teaspoon toothpaste, oof, it's a lot. Any toothpaste of your choice, guys, is okay. And then the next ingredient is Vaseline, 1 teaspoon. I love it. And the last ingredient, guys, is lemon. Ooh, look at the effervescence. You add 1 lemon. And then use the consistency is still thick, so I'm adding another lemon. Good. Yeah. Ooh, I love this. And I'm going to apply it on my nails. These are my nails. So you see the consistency. Not too thick and not too watery. I'm going to apply it on my nails. Yeah. I apply at the back and I apply in front, inside, like inside the nail. Yeah. You see? At the back and in front. So this is it. This is half. Put it, and it's just like it just gum on your nails. So you allow it for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. To wash it with After 15 minutes, you wash it off with, I use a toothbrush. A toothbrush that I don't use anymore. It's very hard. I used to brush my nails like this. I make sure to brush the inside of the nails and the back too. Use lukewarm water, not too hot, not too cold. Lukewarm water. Don't go and burn your hand, guys. I love it. I love the feeling. Good. Wow. So this is it. So you guys can see those are my nails. That's how I clean my nails. So until next time, guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification button and check out my other videos. And if this is your first time that you're visiting my channel, don't forget to subscribe and share my videos, guys. So